I'm Lillian Carey.
And I'm Claire Carey.
And this is our wrap-up video. We did a couple of moves that we created, and then we also pulled in some moves from the Collaborative Cross-Step Waltz weekend. A couple of Nick and Melissa's.
Yeah.
So we started off with something we've done in the past, which is a basic tether ball. So with the tether ball, just like a tether ball, you got that ever tightening that allows the ball to flip around the pole. So that is created, in this case, with a leads turn and a hand trap. So with the basic on top, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
starts
grabs
out,
the hand, step back, and we keep right on going. Watching it one more time. I'm going to just do this really slow. I'm going to step 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to step back, 5, 6, and allow her to float into my hands. Up to speed, and 1, 2, 3, back, 5, 6, and 1. We talked about how this hook becomes a little more dramatic. Let's go this direction.
She's not closing around my hand,
Right.
but she is giving me a little more hook and a little bit more resistance.
So right now it's pretty relaxed, but as this tension pulls up, I've got to tighten that hook just a little bit, just so that we can end up with that motion.
We talked about follows having that really lovely springy frame so that I can bounce off of it and protect the shoulders.
Then we used that same concept in a shoulder catch and a pivot.
Yeah.
So we're going to start off with a swing out.
Swinging out down the line of dance.
1, 2, 3. This is very Westy.
It is.
I'm going to step back. 4, 5, 6. Start to look familiar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Key pieces of this. When I swing my follow out, I have to create some tension and I have to anchor. The first step bringing follows forward is me stepping back. So 1, 2, 3, I'm anchored. I'm going to step back.
Push
4, 5, 6. Guess what? I'm going to have to step back again. 1, 2, 3, and I'm using a barrel hold, which will allow me to settle my follow back rather than them collapsing into me. And then I can step around 4, 5, and relax on the 5, 6.
in time.
Down,
Go this way.
And 1, 2, 3, back 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 1. All right.
Excellent.
Then we did a couple of Nick and Melissa's.
Yeah.
So we started off with a really cool prep on 1. Hands come through back line of dance, and then we can lead the follow in a free spin, or we can do a roll away.
Roll away,
Let's
as
do
always.
it the basic.
Yes.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, prep. 1,
Through.
2,
Open
3,
up, step
4, 5, 6, and 1. And I'm going to go right into it here. And on this one, I'm going to do a roll away, but that prep, now, I don't have to use the prep. I could literally just bring these hands through.
Walk backward and
And
step.
as long as the follow continue to rotate the direction I'm asking them to rotate,
It'll be fine.
it would work, right? The prep gives it a little bit more pop. So I kind of like that. So prep 1, 2, 3, and then we both going to do Sinead turns, and I'm going to pick her up. We said space is better.
So helpful.
So when I'm doing a roll away, I can always catch up on the 1 and 2. So I don't need to hurry up and stay super close. 1,
Check the
2,
elbows.
3, 4, 5, 6, and I can always pick her up when I need to.
We said that having about 12 inches between our elbows is going to give us the best case scenario. Even on a busy floor, we're just going to hold our space.
Absolutely. And you're going to look for enough space to do any sort of roll away.
Indeed.
Right?
Indeed.
Okay. Then
Gateway.
we did the gateway. This commences on 4, 5, 6. I'm going to be sliding my hand down, leading my follow in a direction. I'm going to catch up with them.
Winding up.
And then I can either do a free spin or a roll away. And
So in the same way that when we did that swing out move, as a follow, I want to go to the end of the rope to build up some potential energy. She's going to do the same damn thing. She's going to head straight out.
1, 2, 3.
And now we've got some potential energy. She's actually going to use this low hand more than the high hand as she steps back to say, hey, come with me. She catches up to me.
2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 1. So don't be concerned when you end up behind your follow. After that first part, you can catch up easily. So,
One more time.
One more time, in time. And a 1, 2, 3,
step back.
4, 5, 6. So
Catches up,
1,
wind
2,
up.
3, and 4.
We can go together.
5, 6,
And we drift
1.
back into connection.
And then we did reverse orbits.
Oh, which were so good. I love it. We really talked about how leads, you're going to be bringing your follow across, but this is not an arm situation. This is a whole chest.
Whole body
so we
rotation.
practice kind of swishing our hands along the countertop. That's what she's going to do to help get me there.
All right, so as with right turning orbits, the one that you're used to, I'm going to step through, across, down line, and encourage my follow to do the same. I keep that energy heading down line, all right? So when we do reverse orbits, we have to keep that peace in mind.
Even though we have to fight an extra 90 every time.
Yeah, it's trickier. We're going straight. That's a blessing, right?
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, down line. I encourage my follow to stay close. I'm not letting her go way ahead of me because I'm never going to make it.
She's really keeping that container nice and small.
So we can go from one to the next, or I can do a right turning orbit.
It's really fun.
And then I can zip them across and come across myself.
Yeah?
Then we added a turn within a turn.
Yes.
The tricky thing is it looks like we're doing something like this. Here, do that. And she's going, I can never make that work and it's never going to feel good. So instead, there is, of course, a prep. So if I did the move without the left turning orbits, I would prep.
Open.
1, 2,
Touches my back
3, 4,
between my feet.
5, and 6. So, and
Open.
oops, here we go. Let's go back. Here we go. And
Open.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. And 4 does, as Claire says, are between the feet.
Yeah.
Now, a couple things. This hand is going to set up over here. You're going to bring your follow to the hand rather than saying, oh, I'm going to use this hand to start turning you. No, literally, I can do the turn without.
Totally without that upper hand, right? So that's the energy we want to have. Now, if you're starting from here and you just happen to have that hand already, that's okay. Just focus on the connection through the torso.
So if that was the case, I would still prep a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5.
You notice how gentle that hand is? It's really just keeping us connected there. But we love taking that West Coast swing element of we're going to dangle the hand. We said follows. I don't need to reach out to touch it. My frame will end up there.
So adding it into the orbit.
One last time.
And she goes across. I come across. I open her here. I catch the back. And I regain the basic, going the opposite direction.
Yeah. Follows, we were continuing our energy, really rotating. I was thinking about passing that elbow across through that space, not up, but nice and low, and really giving my lead a ride so that they can be shot out the other side. This is an inside roll telemark from West Coast Swing.
Absolutely.
In cross step. So,
all right.
that's it.
I think that's it. Thank you so much.
Nice job, y'all.
Great job, everyone.